Well, welcome to another episode of the Forest Mill. I wanted to start doing some medieval reenactment cooking, right, on my channel, and so I needed a few pots. So I ordered a pan. And I was looking more like a kettle, right, but I wanted it to look more like a medieval kettle and not something, not cast iron like cowboy style, country like that. So I looked around on the web, and Windlass makes a small cast iron pot, and so I ordered me one. I kind of like, this is gonna be kind of like an opening of it, so shipped it good. This is Flynn. Flynn's my new puppy. He's a handful. So here, pull out the box. Not bad. So this is something you can cook in, evidently. It's iron. It's got the handle that locks in it to where you can stir it and it won't tilt while you're cooking. I think diameters is 8.5. It's 3.5 in depth. So this is enough for like 2 people. Cook a pot, definitely one. Definitely got my size. So I did a research and I thought this would be pretty good, especially if you built like your little tripod and hang on it. So it seems like it's fairly well made. You'd always use it for a helmet. Anyway. Not bad. I think I grabbed this on Amazon for like, I think 30 bucks. Took about a week to get here. So I think I'm gonna add this to my outdoor cooking collection. It's made by Windlass medieval reenactment gear. They said it's good for like Viking reenactment, medieval reenactment. You could probably even get away with Renaissance, something like this. So, but you can see it's fairly well made. I don't see too many blemishes or dents and stuff in it, so it's fairly well dished out. Figure what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a couple of the cast iron fence pegs and heat them up and twist it and make me a 3-leg tripod. Be perfect for it. Perfect. So this is gonna be some of my outdoor cooking gear. Anyway, I figure if you're in something reenactment and you're looking for something that looks kind of like authentic and you don't want to use like a frying pan or something like that, good little choice. Not bad for 40 bucks, just want to say, with shipping and all that. Sorry about the box noise, but Flynn's having a good time with it.